good morning. Myself Shalini Garg, lecturer electronics, Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur. आज हम टूस कॉम्प्लीमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन एंड टूस कॉम्प्लीमेंट सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे। सबसे पहले टूस कॉम्प्लीमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन। In two's complement system, the positive numbers are represented in similar way as in sign magnitude form. That is, we write the magnitude and in front of the magnitude we add a sign bit, that is 0, for a positive number. For negative number, we have to first convert it to its ones complement value and then add 1 to the ones complement value. That is, for every negative number, first every bit is replaced by its complement, that is 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. This is one's complement of the number. Then add 1 to this complemented value. For example, if I have to find 2's complement of minus 45, first find the binary equivalent of 45 by dividing it by 2. I have shown it here and it comes out to be 101101. Now, plus 45 is the magnitude of 45, that is 101101, and a sign bit 0. Take its ones complement by replacing 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. Each bit is replaced by its complement value, 1 by 0, again 1 by 0, 0 by 1, 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. Now, to convert it into a 2's complement, we have to add 1 to this complemented value. That is, when we add 1 to 1010010, it becomes 1010011. Rest of the bits are 0. So, you have to add 0 plus 1, 1. All remaining bits are 0. So, answer is 1010011. Extension of a 2's complement number. Now, plus 15 is equal to, first to write plus 15, we first write the magnitude of 15, which is equivalent to 4 ones. To convert it into plus 15, we add a 0 in front of it, which is equal to 0 and 4 1. This is the ones complement value and this is also the 2's complement value. There is no change in ones complement and 2's complement value. You have to simply add a sign bit in front of it. Now, to convert it into an 8-bit number, I can simply add 3 more zeros in front of 0 and 4 ones. This is equal to plus 15 because the first 0 will now represent the sign bit, which indicates the number is positive. The remaining bit, which is 000 and 41, it is equal to 15, so it represents plus 15. Now, how to represent minus 15 as a 8-bit number? Simply, plus 15 is equal to 0 and 4 ones. For minus 15, we first take its ones complement, which is equal to 1 and 4 zeros. For 2's complement, we add a 1 to it, which becomes 0 plus 1 is 1. All remaining bits are 0 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So, it is equal to 1, 0001. So, this is the 2's complement value of minus 15. To convert it into a 8-bit number, I cannot add 0 in front of this क्योंकि जैसे ही मैं इसके आगे 0 जोड़ूंगी, it becomes a positive number and I have to represent minus 15. एक के बाद भी मैं 0 नहीं जोड़ सकती because it will represent a different number when I convert it back to decimal value. तो अब 8-bit नंबर में minus 15 को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या करना है? सबसे पहले plus 15 को एज अ 8-bit नंबर लिखना होगा और फिर उसका 2's complement लेना है. तो अगर मैं plus 15 को एज अ 8-bit नंबर लिखूँ, इट इज़ इक्वल टू 4 zeros and 4 1, जो कि जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंट किया था. अब इसका वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट लो, विच इज़ इक्वल टू 4 ones and 4 zeros. To convert it into a 2's complement value, add a 1 to this, so it becomes 4 ones, 3 zeros and 1, and so this is the minus 15 8-bit representation of minus 15. Subtraction using 2's complement. subtract 18 from 25. 25 पे से हमें subtract करना है, so we have to write 2's complement of plus 25 and 2's complement of minus 18. Then we have to add the two numbers and ignore the end around carry of the final answer. तो 25 प्लस 25 का 2's complement लिखने के लिए सबसे पहले इसका मैग्नीट्यूड निकालें बाइनरी में. by dividing it by 2 it comes out to be 11001 plus 25 is magnitude और उसके आगे एक साइन बिट 0 लगानी है, दैट इज 0111001. नाउ माइनस 18 का 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालने के लिए पहले इसको बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करें. 18 की बाइनरी इज 10010 प्लस 18 इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 010010. माइनस 18 का पहले हमें 1's कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना है प्लस 18 का, which is equal to 101101. To find 2's complement of minus 18, add a 1 to it. 1 plus 1 is 0. With carry 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Remaining bits are 1, 1, 0 and 1. So 2's complement of minus 18 is 10110. Add plus 25 to it, which is equivalent to 01101. Now you have to add the two numbers. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Ignore this final carry. Now you can see here the answer is 00011. The first bit is 0, which indicates the number is positive. The remaining bits indicate the magnitude and 00111 is equal to plus 7. 25 में से जब हम 18 घटाएंगे the result will be plus 7 and so our answer is correct. Let us take another example. Subtract 25 from 18. अब हमें 25 घटाना है 18 में से. तो 18 is a positive number and 25 is a negative number. Plus 18 को पहले बाइनरी में लिखें, दैट इज इक्वल टू 10010 जो कि हमने पिछली स्लाइड में कैलकुलेट किया था. प्लस 18 के लिए इसके आगे 0 ऐड कर दें, दैट इज 010010. 25 का मैग्नीट्यूड इज 11001. प्लस 25 रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए इसके आगे एक साइन ऐड कर दें, 0111001. माइनस 25 का 1's कॉम्प्लीमेंट विल बी, हर एक बिट को का कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना है, 1 को 0 से और 0 को 1 से, दैट इज 1 0, 0 को 1 से, 0 को अगेन 1 से, 1 को 0 से, 1 को 0 से एंड 0 को 1 से. टू फाइंड इट्स 2's complement, add 1 to this and it gives 0 plus 1 is 1. ऑल द रिमेनिंग बिट में हम 0 जोड़ रहे हैं तो रिजल्ट विल बी सेम, दैट इज 10011. So final 2's complement of minus 25 is 10011. Add plus 18 to it, which is equal to 010010. So add this 010010. Add the two number. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. Now there is no carry, so this is the answer. You can check the first bit is 1. It indicates the number is negative. To cross verify the answer, that is to convert it in decimal, we will have to take its 2's complement. So first write the number 111001. Its 1's complement is, with a sign bit in front of it, it will be 000110. Add a 1 to this, it becomes 000111. It is equal to minus 7. Let us take another example. Subtract 17 from 38. First find the binary equivalent of 38 by dividing it by 2 and it comes out to be 1000110. Then write plus 38, which is a sign bit 0 in front of the magnitude 1000110. This is a 7-bit number. Now we have to subtract 17 from this 38. First find the magnitude of 17 in binary, it is equal to 1, 0001. Now to write plus 17, add a sign bit 0 in front of it, so it becomes 0, 1, 0001. This is a 6-bit number. To add the two numbers, to perform the subtraction, we will first have to convert it to a 7-bit number. To convert it into a 7-bit number, I add 0 in front of this. So plus 17 becomes 201 0001. Now, 1's complement of minus 17. हर एक बिट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना है. 1 का 0, 0 का 1, अगेन 0 का 1, 0 का 1, 1 का 0, 0 का 1, अगेन 0 का 1. Now add 1 to this. 0 plus 1 is 1. The remaining bits we are adding 0, so it is 110 111. So overall 2's complement of minus 17 is 110 and 4 ones. Now to perform the 2's complement subtraction, add 38 to this minus 17. This is plus 38, 100 and this is minus 17. Add the two number. 1 plus 0 is 1 with no carry. 1 plus 1 is a 0 with carry 1. 3 1 are equivalent to 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 0 is equivalent to 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Again 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Ignore this final carry. The answer is 0010101. Now, the first bit is 0, which indicates the result is positive. Convert this binary value to equivalent decimal value, which comes out to be plus 21, and 38 minus 17 is equivalent to plus 21. Let us take one more example. Suppose we have to subtract 18 from 25. That is, it is equivalent to minus 18 minus 25. In decimal, it is equivalent to minus 43. Now, first I write the magnitude of 18, which is equal to 10010. Then, to write plus 18, I add 0 in front of the magnitude 10010. 25, इसका magnitude is 11001. To write plus 25, add a 0 in front of this, it becomes 011001. Now, both numbers are 6 bits number, and the maximum number represented in 2's complement by a 6-bit number will be minus 2 to the power 6 minus 1, which is equal to 2 to the power 5, that is minus 32. 2 plus 2 to the power 5 minus 1, which is equal to plus 31. But our answer is minus 43. So we require a minimum of 7 bits to represent minus 43. So convert both the numbers to either 7-bit or 8-bit or more numbers. You can add extra bits, but अगर उसमें कम बिट होंगी, जैसे इसका जो मैग्नीट्यूड है उसकी कैपेसिटी से एक्सीड कर जाएगा, तो आंसर गलत आएगा. So I am converting both the numbers to 8-bit 2's complement form. Plus 18 in 8-bit is 000010010. Minus 18, 1's complement is 1110101. 2's complement के लिए इसमें एक जोड़ना है. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, which is equal to here 1. All the remaining bits remain same, that is 111011, and so minus 18 in 2's complement is 111011 110. अगेन 25 को मैं एक 8-बिट नंबर से रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ. प्लस 25 को माइनस 25 के लिए उसका पहले 1's कॉम्प्लीमेंट लें, उसमें एक जोड़ें, and it comes out to be 1110011. Now add 2's complement value of minus 18, which is equivalent to this, and minus 25, which is equivalent to this. Add the two numbers. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 3 1 are equivalent to 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 3 1 are equivalent to 1 with carry 1. Again 3 1 is equivalent to 1 with carry 1. Ignore this final carry. The final answer is 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now, to cross verify our answer, we can convert it back to decimal. The first bit is a 1. It indicates the number is negative. So, हमें रिजल्ट का 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना होगा विद अ साइन बिट. दैट इज इसको पहले 1's कॉम्प्लीमेंट में कन्वर्ट करें. दैट इज माइनस 1 1 के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग 0 0. देन यू हैव 0 1 0 1 के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग 1 0. अगेन यू हैव 0 1 अगेन 1 0 अगेन 0 1 है तो उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग अगेन 1 0. Now to convert it in 2's complement form, इसमें एक जोड़ दें which becomes 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. अब इसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर लें तो it becomes 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 5, which is equivalent to minus 43, which is the correct answer. So that's all about 2's complement representation, its extension and 2's complement subtraction. Thank you.